haven't decided yet.
It's so fun.
Oh, okay.
I got it because my boyfriend.
Alright, I'm finally back home, so now it's time to unbox. Yes, we have to bring the old child out because of I need the system data transfer, so yeah. Already feels jealous. There she is. There she is. Here is the screen. Oh wow, look at this. And the Joy-Cons are right here. Bring them out. There are the controllers. Attach them to the Switch. This thing is significantly bigger than my old Switch. Dang, look at this. Doesn't look that big online, but it really is this big. Jeez, let's boot it on. Nintendo. Oh. Oh. Oh, Nintendo Switch 2. Oh my god, it's doing software updates. Oh, update data is downloading. With Nintendo Switch 2, you can play games wherever you want, however you want. Oh yeah, forgot the stand is also bigger and better. You can like do this if you want to, all the way back. This is so cool. There's a button on the back that you just click that and then it detaches. And do the rest that's in the box. So in the box is also the charger and the adapter. They have this, which is now has been upgraded. You can attach the Joy-Cons like this, and you can play like this. The Switch ones were kind of weird. Like you have to like slide it in, and it was actually kind of weird. So I'm glad they refreshed it on the Switch too. There also was some controversy with the back cover. Like it comes all the way off, and people can lose this easily. But honestly, I don't really mind. I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna lose it. I think that worked. Oh, that worked. It wanted its own AC adapter. Time. You have to update the console. Damn. Wow, everything's syncing over. Yay! So yeah, that means we're pretty much done here. But we are not entirely finished yet. Because now I need to set up my old Switch dock in the spare bedroom, so whenever I sleep over here, I can have the Switch, just to watch YouTube at night. Yeah, the quality isn't the best, but it will do for now. I still have some games coming from the Switch 2, not officially Switch 2 games. I have Mario Kart World coming soon, but until then, I have a couple more games coming, which are... So you probably wonder what the mailman just dropped off. So first we need to find the game cartridge. Pop Garfield card out. It's Super Mario Galaxy. Now I can finally tell people that I play a Super Mario game other than Super Mario Odyssey. And this game, it's not Super Mario, but this is the game that got me into wanting a Nintendo Switch. Nintendo's game cartridge opening has always been so satisfying. I couldn't just cheap out and just get Super Mario Galaxy. I had to get Super Mario Galaxy 2. I wonder if it comes with both game cartridge. Oh no, it doesn't. It just comes with the one. Popping Super Mario Galaxy into the Switch. Oh, it's fine. There it is. Oh, and there it is. More games on the way, so stay tuned. Why Super Mario Galaxy? Well, because I really wanted to play this game, because Super Mario Galaxy, the movie's coming out, and what point or what fun would it be to or play Super Mario Galaxy at the movie theaters and play the game? I've never played Super Mario Galaxy. I'm excited to play it, and I haven't played it. I needed to play it before I watched the movie, so yeah. Alright, so I ordered another thing that I haven't really talked about a lot to anybody, so you'll be the first ones to know. Ooh, I see it in here. Ooh. So first, least important thing is this iSMASHED toolkit. I've wanted this for a while, and instead of just going to like the shopping, buying stuff, or just paying somebody to do it, I might as well do it myself. So, second thing I bought, which is the main thing I wanted to buy, was this hammer, and it's way bigger in person. But yeah, it's kind of a little dirty, but eh. But what did I buy a new hammer for? And this thing's huge. What did I buy a new hammer for? It's for smashing. I can't wait to use this. Scam! This was in the mail, and it's just Minecraft. They just put it just basically in there. There isn't like even in a cartridge or anything. I bought it used, so let's make sure it works. Pop Super Mario Galaxy out. Okay, pop Minecraft in there. Okay, yeah, it's on there. Okay, we're good. I haven't seen this in person before. Yes, please. That's not a bad price for it. And that is just a scam. MacBook Neo. Should I consume? Nah. Should I consume again? Same exact. An iPhone Air. Gotta do a bang test of it. The irrelevant iPhone and the iPhone 17e. Basically 16e. Basically SE. Basically iPhone 8. Whatever. Oh, well, do they have Ray-Ban Metas? I don't see any. I don't see any. Oh, it looked like the case, but no. Ooh, fun, efficient toys. Was coming to terms on the fact that I started to like Costco, but not with this line. I changed my mind. I hate Costco now. Boom! Actually, a pretty good price. Oh, finally they fucking open another fucking line. Hi.
Hi. Slice of half cheese and a bake.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Don't hit me. Oh, he's in here. Bring my car back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring her back. Okay, new issue. I'm trying to log into Minecraft on my Switch, and this is what happens. It's not something on my Switch, something wrong with the Switch. It did that on my PS5 too. So I just now let's go. Not all done on here. Failed.
Looking forward to helping you. How can I help you today?
Talk to an agent regarding Microsoft sign-in for Minecraft.
To best assist you, support for password management is now online.
Talk to an agent.
Please note that our representatives will not be able to assist you with this inquiry. Thanks for calling Microsoft. Have a good day.
No, don't hang up. I hate Minecraft and I hate Xbox. And I hate Microsoft so much. This is what I'd rather be doing right now. Okay, I finally logged into Minecraft on my Switch. I had to create another account, so... I am now just realizing to play with myself. That sounds so wrong. Play with myself on my iPad. Have to get into Switch Online. I hate Nintendo. I hate Minecraft so much. I hate you. Alright, happy Easter. Here's the things I got, going from least important to important. I got me some chocolates, a new phone case for my vlog iPhone. We're gonna open this up first. Ooh, get it out. Yeah, see, I broke it, so I need a new one. Oh, it comes with a screen protector too. Pretty good. The last and potentially best thing, Mario Kart World. Wow, my first Switch 2 exclusive game. This abomination of a game out. And put this one in. What a beautiful birth. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Police, please protect us. But they're gonna hate what I do when I walk out the store.
How are they sold out? The movie just came out. Yes, they're sold out of all the Yoshi popcorn buckets.
Unfortunately, yes.
Already?
Yes.
It just came out today, right?
Yesterday we had a parade.
Oh.
The movie's gonna be mid. Going to be all over that when I leave.
Yeah, that's fine. Which one? Two of them. Oh.
Yeah. It'd be interesting. Now this is what.
So where are you off to next?
That nice space princess.
Don't worry, son. No jail can hold us.
And some bonus content, just because the most superior game isn't on Switch 2 or Switch.
Not that. The last four letters, that's all you need to know.
Oh, that is like blooming. Let's go. What do we get? 22, yeah. Let's do it. Okay, less than 1 million. Can I get some back? Damn. One more spin just for good luck. Yes. Yeah, just one more. I swear. No, I'm done.